Heyo! So I have been working with these threads a lot and I love incorporating them into my artworks. I started with creating these basic patterns on these coaster-sized canvases. More recently, I worked on this series of cartoon characters and I created their hairdos with these threads. So I thought, for my first video, this is what I would share with you guys. So today I'll be working on Velma from the Scooby-Doo show and Seducer from the Powerpuff Girls show. Before I start, a quick note on the materials. These are paper jute threads. It's the combination that gives them a workable texture. So just paper would be too stiff and just jute would be too fibrous. You can find these on Amazon. They are available for a pack of 12 colors. Other than that, all you need is any clear glue. This is just a basic craft glue that I use. It's clear, so it comes on clear and dries clear as well. And lastly, of course, a pair of scissors. So I'm going to start off working along the border. This helps to maintain the structure of the artwork and also gives me a framework for the rest of the process. Another thing that helps is to work from the outside to the inside. This makes it easier to fill the inside and also keeps the threads in place. Once I'm done with the border, I can start filling it in. Now again, I keep working inwards, following the same pattern as before. Once I reach this last bit, it's easier to cut a little section of the thread and glue it in. And then I can use the end of the scissors to put that in place. For Seducer, I'm going to divide the hair into each of these sections. I will fill this in with black thread. So there you have it, Velma and Seducer. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.